In this video, we're diving into how to use Mailchimp's custom audiences to boost your marketing efforts and take your email campaigns to the next level. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to leverage this powerful tool, but I'll also share a way for you to use Mailchimp for free with some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Let's start with the basics. Mailchimp's custom audiences allow you to target specific groups within your contact list. This is super valuable because you can send tailored content to people who are more likely to engage, increasing your email campaign's performance. You'll need to understand how to segment your audience effectively to get the most out of it. First thing you'll want to do is log into your Mailchimp account. From there, go to your audience dashboard. If you don't have an audience yet, you'll need to create one. But once that's done, you'll find a section called Manage Contacts. Click on it and select Segments from the drop-down. This is where you'll create custom audiences. Next thing, let's talk about filters. Filters are key in creating custom audiences. You can set up conditions based on contact activity, like who opened your last email, who clicked on a link, or who hasn't interacted in a while. For instance, you might want to target people who clicked on your link but didn't make a purchase. Customizing these filters makes it easy to reach the right people at the right time. The third thing is using tags. Tags are great for organizing your contacts beyond the basic segmentation filters. You can tag subscribers based on interest, purchase behavior, or even customer lifetime value. These tags allow for more granular targeting, which is perfect for sending personalized content. Next, let's talk about creating an audience based on interactions. If you want to send emails to people who interacted with your emails recently, you can set up a segment specifically for that. The best part about using custom audiences like this is that it lets you reach engaged subscribers and avoid bombarding inactive ones, which can actually harm your deliverability rate. Now, the fifth thing, automating your emails. Once you've set up your custom audiences, you can link them with Mailchimp's automation features. You can create automated email flows that send tailored messages to your audience based on their interactions. This is great for follow-ups, abandoned cart reminders, and much more. Lastly, always track your results. Custom audiences are only effective if you're analyzing the performance of your emails. With Mailchimp's reporting features, you can see how your custom audiences are performing and adjust your strategy accordingly. By the end of this video, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Mailchimp's custom audiences. If you want to try out Mailchimp yourself and get started with custom audiences, check the first link in the description. We've got an exclusive offer that will let you access Mailchimp for free, plus some extra bonuses that'll give you a leg up on your email marketing journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, the power of custom audiences lies in targeting the right people with the right message.